guess we could say it's up to date. It's kind of like I skipped. Anything in July got skipped and I just jumped, you know, right into the current weeks. But I am still going back and putting the stickers down. I don't know how I managed to skip this week, but I did. Because strangely enough, the week after this, I think I did a video on this already, and that week is already done. How I skipped this one, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But anyway, I like this kit that I'm using. I love the Christmas season. I love winter, yes and yes. So I'm very happy to be doing this kit right now. It is definitely a change of pace, change of, you know, the other kits that are being used at this current time. So I'm fine with it. Perfectly fine. How about you? How are you doing today? I hope your day is going well. Let's see, is this going to be all the way? Yes, this is going to be all the way. I think what I've been trying to do when I put down this bottom washi is I go to like the second or third box. Yes, because I try to put this washi as low as possible. Sorry, I'm tongue-tied. I haven't done a video in a minute that I was talking. If you have not got an opportunity to watch any of my previous videos, I would greatly appreciate it if you would go back and watch a video or two. Please make sure you give me a like. I will happily appreciate all the things. So when I'm putting down this bottom washi, I try to go from like the second box up. So that's like where the 4 is. That way I can have as much real estate as possible on the page. That's just my thought process of thinking. I know some people put the washi at the bottom here, but you know, I move it down just a tad so I have a little bit more room to write down the things. Just a little food for thought, something to think about when you're putting down your stickers. So this sticker kit, like I said before, is from Punky Bee Design, and I'm not sure what is currently available on her site, but I do know she went through some changes, so I don't know the current status. So the 26th was the opening ceremony for the Olympics, so I already had put that down because, like I said, I don't know how I skipped this week because I put the week behind it. It's already down. That was the week that the Olympics was taking place, and you know, I'm big on watching the Olympics. So when I put down these full boxes, I got to make sure to come down just a little bit here, like past the 10, to put these down. So I want to keep these 3 together, or maybe even the 4. I'll put 3 up and 4 down. Yes, we'll do it like that, like so, like that. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this upside down. We have learned, you and I have learned, that we can't see under these bright A lights, so we got to put the book closer to us by putting it upside down so we can try to be as close as possible with putting down our stickers. Now this is something else that's different for me, because usually I would start where the line starts at, but you know, with these stickers I could go all the way up, and that way I can have a little bit more real estate available to write on. So I think I'm going to do that with these. Most of the stickers from Punky Bee Design, if I remember correctly, once you put them down, they are there. Don't try to change your mind up, because you're not going to be able to pick up that sticker. So just be cautious when you're putting down your stickers. Just think about it. Think twice. You know, I think some people say like measure it twice and then do the action once type thing. Girl, listen, don't quote me. I don't know. But either way, so just think about it before you put the sticker down, because this tape on here it's not gonna say, girl, I'm removable and you can pick me back up. No. So once you make your commitment, it's done. It's what's done is done. That part. All right, so let's keep going. And I said this time I'm gonna go to the 10 because of this sticker here. And I'm just gonna put these 4 a little bit lower, which is perfectly fine. You know, we can work it out. the beautiful thing about our planners, even though that sticker is crooked, don't care. You know, we work things out. We find a way. We find a way. The little imperfections is what make us who we are. You know, we love those types of things. So this particular week that I'm doing, like I said, is like a Christmas in July because it has July 25th in it. So yes, this kit goes with the theme of Christmas in July. The opening ceremonies took place on the Friday. So all of the countries that were participating, they went on their, you know, their boat ride, and you could see it if you stayed up and watched it, you know, late at night. Luckily for us, the TV stations, I think it was like NBC, ABC, one of those, child, don't quote, they do re-air the Olympics. So if you miss the opening ceremony when it originally happened, in our time, I think it was like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, but over there, you know, where it was happening, it was later in the day. So if you missed it on, you know, the first time, they re-aired it, you know, later in the day. So that's why I was like, it ain't no biggie. If you missed it, they're gonna re-air it. Even on what's the show? Not the show, the channel, Peacock. Peacock has it also. So if you missed it, you know, you could do a replay on Peacock. So that was pretty good. I wasn't watching it faithfully every single day on time. So if I didn't catch it early AM, I would catch it, you know, later type thing, you know. So I wanted to be up and early to catch it, but yeah, no, that didn't always happen. So hopefully those of us who are into the sports and you like watching the Olympics, hopefully you got a nice full fill of watching the Olympics, because I know I got my full share, like for real, for real. I know I did. Yes, I did. So I'm going to put this other red one over here as well, but I'm only going to put it for the weekdays. So I'm going to have to cut some, oops. I'm going to have to cut some of this off. So we're going to have to see, can I measure it? I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Let's see. We're going to try. But yeah, so I watch as much as possible. I'm not going down to pick up that top. I'm just going to move this pen over there. I watched the Olympics. I saw so many athletes, performers doing their thing. We got our full fill of Snoop. He was very, very much into the spirit of the sports. He had a good time. One of the evenings, I don't remember which evening, there was a performance by him. He performed for the athletes, which I think was very, very nice. Very, very good. The athletes looked like they enjoyed themselves with the performance. Listen, I didn't cut that exactly the way it needed to be, but it's okay because I got a sticker for that. Look, here we go. We're going to put that sticker on there right now just so we can say, boom, we got a sticker for that. Oh, look, we're gonna make her even. Look, we're gonna put, boom, one over there too. See, that's how you do stuff like that. When you don't cut it exact, you got a sticker for that. Just keep going. Boom, that part. But yeah, so his performance was good. We saw a lot of performances by him. He really did, you know, make the show worth watching. I did see that at some point he did get to go with his girl. Martha was there for a little minute, and he did his horse thing. I was wondering if that was gonna come up, because he had mentioned, you know, how much he's a fan of watching the horses. And I was like, well, I wonder, you know, if he's gonna actually get to see them, and he did. And I was like, oh, that's cool. That's cool. I like it. I like it. I was like, look at him enjoying himself. Now, being that the Olympics is pretty much over by the time I'm, you know, filming this video, but I did get to watch, you know, like I said, quite a bit of it. The medals that each of the countries got, I was just like, y'all did y'all thing. Y'all did it. Like, all the countries, kudos, mad props to all the countries that got their medals and whatever activities that they was doing. I was like, yes and yes. So happy for all of them for doing such a great job, you know, showing their athleticism, their abilities that they could do. Look, Paige, done. Bam, thank you. So yes, I enjoyed all of it. I found it a way to, you know, to connect even more with people, because, you know, a lot of the conversations that we were having was, you know, did you get to watch? Did you see last night? Or, you know, what did you see? And then we would just, you know, reflect and talk about who performed, what were we watching, this, that, and the third, you know, all that good stuff. My best time, of course, is track and field. Love it. Track and field all day, yes and yes. I love watching track and field. It didn't really matter who it was. Nope. It didn't matter. I love watching track and field. Any of it. The long jump, the decathlon. It didn't matter. I like watching all the things. All the things. So by chance, you know, as I'm talking up the Olympics, excuse me, I need to go take a drink, but I'm not finna get up at the moment. Did you, by chance, enjoy, you know, the Olympics? Was there anything in particular that caught your eye? Were there any sports, any particular events, I should say? Were there any athletes that's like, oh yes, they did their thing? I mean, I like them all. I think they all did great. All of them. Every last one of them. It didn't matter what country they were from, what activity they were participating in. I think they all did great. Their effort to come out and show themselves doing their activities, like I said, I enjoyed it. I've been a big fan of the Olympics for years. It didn't just start this year. I've been an Olympic person. Like, I watch it. You know, like we into our planetary things. Yes, I'm into my Olympics. I love to watch it. So when it's time for it to come back up, I'm there. Even when they're prepping to get ready for the Olympics, you know, they're doing the trials. Yes, I'm there. I'm watching it because I want to support. Even though I'm not physically there to support those athletes, you know, it's kind of like mentally, spiritually, you know, type thing. You know, they got support. Even if they don't realize they have it, they got it. So that's how I feel about that. Definitely leave me some comments down below. You know, what's your thought process? How do you feel about the sports? Now, there was always some areas. Ooh, that thing came off with it. Boom. There were some touchy areas. questionable areas, we'll say. That's the way we're gonna describe it. That happened during the Olympics. Now, I'm not even gonna be trying to tell somebody who did what and how to think about what. All I'm gonna say is, that's about the best way I'm gonna go with it. That's what we doing. That's what we doing. So, yeah. Either way, I enjoyed it. USA was doing their thing for shizzle. Yes. Other countries was right there too. You know, everybody was trying to make their best effort to show how well they can be in that competitive arena, because it was a lot of competition. It really was. We had some ups and downs and some falls and some rounds and some rounds. So that part. Now I should have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, because I think I used 2 of those already. So it is what it is. I really need to have 7, but I don't. So I don't. It is what it is. That part. I am almost done. I don't use a lot of those stickers on the side there. I never have been big on using all of those stickers. Sometimes I'll put them in if I can think about, you know, a reason to put them in there. But for the most part, nope. Nope, nope. Nope, nope. I don't know why I put those 2 together, but I did. I put them together. Why? I don't know. Listen, at this point, we're just putting stickers down because remember, we're back planning, and this week is already completed. So it's going to be whatever I can fit in when I fit it in. Like so, like that. So we are almost done with the spread for this back planning of Christmas in July in my Hobo Avec. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Until next time.